The Department of Child Safety is providing new information tonight amid their ongoing investigation into the tragic death of 10-year-old Rebekah Baptiste.
Officials say that this poor little girl was abused and tortured before she died, and the state confirms this situation they were aware of. Now, 12 News journalist Bianca Bono is joining us now in studio with the very latest. What can you tell us, Bianca?
Well, tonight we're also hearing from the governor, as well as an attorney who believes this case highlights flaws in the system.
The children in Arizona continue to suffer.
Robert Pastor is an attorney, and for nearly 2 decades, he's represented children and their families impacted by the Department of Child Safety. He's speaking out following the death of 10-year-old Rebekah Baptiste. Her father and father's girlfriend now face charges for her murder.
Back in 2014, when Governor Brewer created the Department of Child Safety, there was 10,000 plus uninvestigated cases. And what was discovered was that many of those calls were not prioritized. I wonder, is that problem still occurring?
He asks that question after hearing from officials at Rebekah's previous school, Empower College Prep. They said they reported concerns of suspected abuse and neglect involving Rebekah and her siblings 12 times over the past year, noticing marks on them, food insecurity issues, and the children themselves stating they didn't feel safe at home.
Who took these calls and who delegated the investigation, or who actually went out and put eyes on this child and said, "Are you okay?"
On Wednesday, DCS saying Empower called their hotline 5 times in the past year, and the allegations met statutory report criteria 1 time. That criteria is the victim is under 18, they've been abused, neglected, abandoned, or exploited, they're in Arizona, and their identity and location are known.
This is obviously a very tragic situation.
Governor Katie Hobbs weighing in on Rebekah's death, saying the handling of her case is under review.
If there was something that we did not do right, we will do everything we can to correct that.
Family tells 12 News Rebekah and her siblings were taken into DCS custody several years ago when their father, Richard Baptiste, lost custody. But ultimately, he got them back. Court records explaining why are not public. In their statement Wednesday, DCS said when a report is investigated, children must be in present or impending danger to authorize removal, adding that they cannot force a parent to cooperate in an investigation.
If they did look at this poor child's history, they made the wrong judgment.
And this case is also catching the attention of state lawmakers who today announced they are escalating a probe into DCS. In the meantime, Empower is organizing a celebration of life for Rebekah. That's happening next Thursday. We're live in studio. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
It is just so heartbreaking. All right, Bianca, thanks.